Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Welcome, all you bougie on a budget DHgate fans. How are you today? I have a fabulous video for you because I have 3 pieces of designer dupe jewelry that are just fabulous, darling. And I got all 3 pieces for like under 40 bucks. So less than 20 bucks a piece. One of them was even $3. I can't wait to get into this so you guys can see. I will have the links listed below. Let's get into it. Okay, the first piece that I'm going to show is actually, I don't know if it's a dupe, but I really liked them, and they were literally like, I think only $2.97, and I thought, why the hell not? I mean, might as well try for $3. I have spent $3 on worse, let me tell you. And I bought them from a seller that I bought another item from, so I actually saved on the shipping because it just came from the same shop. The first item that I bought are Chanel logo earrings. Let's lay some work here before we get into this. I'm using an iPhone to film. Not the best quality. I would shove these in your face, but I don't know how good the quality is. So I'm gonna stay kind of like on this side of the camera, and then I'm going to put like some pre-made video I took of the items, plus when we get into the dupes, I'll have the actual item over here. These are little stud Chanel logo earrings. They're super cute. I'm assuming stainless steel if you want that silver look. They're round. They have the Chanel logo in the middle with the word Chanel on the bottom. And then they have like little roses, horseshoes, and 4-leaf clovers kind of just all patterned around. These are really adorable. I think for $3, you can't beat it, right? I'm gonna put these on just so you can see how they hang, because they are not like a stud in the middle. They actually do hang a little bit. So I just wanted to show you how they actually hang on the ear. Super cute. Very like understated, but like very kind of edgy at the same time with the way that they're designed, with the logo in the middle and then with the design around the outside. They're a great thing to pop on when you want just like a quiet, classy look. So I'm a big fan of these. Remember, links below, $3. These did not come in any type of amazing packaging. They were literally like just on a white card, and I actually put those plastic posts on the back myself. They came with the standard butterfly back. So just keep that in mind. The next item, I actually do have a comparison of this to the real item. This is a Louis Vuitton lock necklace. I think the idea of a lock on a chain is a really cute idea. I picked the silver color. I know it's not really coming up on camera very well, but I will have the video here. This actually is almost identical to the original. It has the chain that is not a slide chain. It's actually on the padlock, so it stays in place. It doesn't like roll all around. The only difference that I could find is that on the original, it had the lobster claw clasp without an extender and without the LV logo on the bottom. I mean, it's a really easy fix if you want to go like strictly dupe. You can probably just take some jewelry pliers and take that off, and it'll be almost exactly like the original. The logo is the same. It's on both sides. It is really cute, and this was less than $20. This also did not come in any type of extravagant packaging, although you could buy the packaging separately. The chain is 17 inches long with the 2-inch extender, but I'm very happy to have it. I think it is really cute. And now for the grand finale. I bought myself some Cartier. Let me explain this one first. This is a Cartier necklace, and I bought the necklace from the seller who was also selling the packaging. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to the necklace, and if you want to choose the necklace, I think right next to it is a picture of the box and the bag. That is a separate charge. So I believe the necklace was like $9.97 and then the box was like $6.99. So I was like, let me just throw in the box because I just want something, you know, extra special. The necklace did come in just a regular Cartier bag. So if you don't want to buy the bag in the box, you still do get the bag, I believe. I mean, mine all came at the same time, but this is what the necklace was actually in, and then the box and the bag was actually separate. If we go to the actual package, I did get the gift bag. The gift bag comes with, I don't know if this is like an authenticity card. It has a lot of Chinese writing on it. So you know, if you want to have it, it's cool. And then it did come with like a serial number card. Again, a lot of Chinese writing on the back. So, I mean, I think they're just like popping these out of a machine, whatever. I like the bag. I also really like the box. To me, the box was worth the $6.99. It's the classic red box with the Cartier logo. Let's go ahead and open her up. So here is the necklace box. So it has the logo on the inside, and I did put the necklace from inside here in here just for reveal purposes. This is the very well-known, famous Love necklace from Cartier. It is the classic circle pendant with the screw heads on the top, and then on the back it does say Love on the bottom. This is actually really high quality. I believe it's stainless steel, but if you were to buy it from Cartier, you'd be buying it in 750 white gold. This is a slide pendant, so the way that it's threaded through, you are going to get some sliding, but it is heavy enough that I believe it'll stay in place. I have not worn this one yet. I've only touched it and gooed over it. It's a very, very nice weight. I think it is really, really pretty. It's really close to the actual product. It's got the same design screw heads. It's got the same text on the bottom. It even has the Cartier logo and the 750 engraved on the bottom as if you were actually buying the 750 white gold. Again, the only other difference is this is a 17-inch chain with a 2-inch extender. I don't believe the real one has the extender with the little Cartier logo on it. So that is the only difference. But look, $10 for this and then $6 for the packaging. Hello, I mean, we're talking about me. Who wouldn't want to get this? Like, let's be for real. Like, if you say no to this, you're a piece of shit. Get off my video. I'm just kidding, guys. I really do love you all. I put this on for you just, you know, to say goodbye. Remember, guys, I'm linking all of these in my snip feed link below. So if you click on that and then click on the product, it should take you directly to that product on DHgate. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. And if you could please subscribe so that you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be even awesomer. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.